Hi, everybody. Dr. Gustin here. Welcome to week 2 in Intro to Biology Plants. Let's see, so far at the time that I'm making this video, I have not yet graded all of your scavenger hunt papers. I've graded some of them, and so far they're looking pretty good. One of the things that I really want to encourage you this semester is to be your own best advocate. I had emails from several people that said, I didn't get the tree finder book. Can I get a delay? Can I delay handing in the scavenger hunt? And if you looked at the scavenger hunt carefully, you might have been able to figure out that you didn't really need the tree finder. There might be other options, other ways for you to get those answers. You could look on the internet. You could use some of those apps that are good at that are designed to identify plants. So try to get things done in a way. You might need to use a little bit of creativity, but a lot of times you can get things done in a little bit different way maybe than your instructor is saying. I welcome your emails and I enjoy answering your questions. I enjoy interacting with you. But for this class and for all classes, I encourage you to be really familiar with your syllabus and very comfortable with what's on your Blackboard page. And you might find the answers to a lot of your questions on those before you start emailing your instructor. The other thing I want to just give you a heads up for with all of your classes this semester, because your instructors are teaching a lot more online classes than usual, try to make sure you tell your instructor what class you are in. We don't know all your names quite yet, and so it's really helpful if you send me an email and say, ask me a question about lab, and say I'm in Bio 1010 or I'm in Intro to Bio Plants. Meanwhile, I think so far things are going really well, and I typically will get your materials graded at the beginning of the week after they're due. This week, week 2, we're going to be looking at the flowers and the parts of flowers and the function of flowers, and there's a lab handout. You're going to print that out, fill it in, follow it through as you're going through there, fill in all the different sections, and then you're going to take the lab quiz. Some of the questions on the lab quiz are right off the handout. Others are, if you understood the concepts in the handout, you'd be able to do them. So make sure you review the concepts. These concepts will also appear on your lab practical. So review those, try to commit them to memory, and take that quiz. You have 20 minutes to take the quiz, and remember that the lab quiz is due Friday at 11:59 p.m. The other way to advocate for yourself is don't wait for the last minute to take quizzes. If your computer crashes at quarter of 11 or quarter of midnight on Friday, I'm not going to have a chance to be able to reset that for you. You're going to lose the opportunity to take that. I had somebody this week that let me know 2 days ahead of time. I had a computer problem and I couldn't get the quiz started. Can you reset it? And I was able to do that. So please work ahead. Please, don't wait till the last minute. Be your own best advocate and have a great week 2. I look forward to hearing from you if you need any help. Good luck.